Hi and welcome to this video on cryptocurrencies. If you're new to the world of digital currencies, you may have some questions like, what are cryptocurrencies? How do they work? And why are they so popular? Well, you're in the right place because in this video, we're going to give you a beginner's guide to cryptocurrencies. So, first things first, what are cryptocurrencies? Essentially, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for secure financial transactions. They're decentralized, meaning that they're not controlled by any central authority like a bank or government. Instead, they rely on a network of computers to validate and record transactions. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, hundreds of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its own unique features and uses. Some of the more popular ones include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Now, you may be wondering, how do cryptocurrencies work? Well, it's actually pretty simple. When you want to make a transaction using a cryptocurrency, you use a digital wallet to send the funds to the recipient's wallet. This transaction is then broadcast to the network, and computers on the network called miners work to verify the transaction by solving complex mathematical problems. Once the transaction is verified, it is added to a public ledger called the blockchain. So why are cryptocurrencies so popular? There are a few reasons. First, they offer a level of anonymity that traditional financial systems don't. Because transactions are recorded on a public ledger, it's possible to see the flow of funds, but the identities of the parties involved are not revealed. This can be attractive to people who value their privacy. Second, cryptocurrencies can be more secure than traditional financial systems. Because they use cryptography to secure transactions, they can be less vulnerable to fraud and hacking. Additionally, because they're decentralized, they're not controlled by any one entity, which means that they can't be manipulated or shut down by a central authority. Finally, cryptocurrencies can offer faster and cheaper transactions compared to traditional financial systems. Because they use a digital network instead of a physical infrastructure, transactions can be processed more quickly, and fees can be lower. So that's a quick overview of cryptocurrencies. We hope this video has helped you understand a little bit more about this exciting and rapidly evolving technology. If you're interested in learning more about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on this topic. And if you want to start using cryptocurrencies yourself, don't forget to create your own BINGX account using my referral link. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.